What's this guy doing?
I'm trying to work here. Yeah.
Start?
No, I'm having a difficult time here. I think so. It's gonna fight me. Does yours go in pretty easy? Yeah. Let me get my wrench out. My special wrench. My special wrench for
Oh, wow. Look at that. Troy, how'd you get that tipped over like that? Did you just shove her over and?
Yeah.
Oh.
On the other side of the body.
Oh yeah, there you go. I don't think they'll believe it with that.
It's just for riding on side hills.
Is that for side hills?
Yeah.
Okay. There it is. We're gonna check and see where the leaks are now. You wanna know what I would do?
No.
Yeah, come on, say yeah. Say what, Mike? He's not into this video stuff, is he? Nope. You wanna know what I would do? Okay, I'll answer it for you.
Oh, okay.
I'll let you do it. Ha! Where do you suspect it is? Right here, somewhere? You got your light? Troy, you got a really bright one. Did you empty it already, obviously? No? So this should be relatively easy. Now that you got it out. Man, that's bigger than I thought it was. It's wet over there though. I'll bet you. If I was a betting man. If I was a betting man. It's wet right here, Kyle. I'm willing to bet you it's on that. Under here. See how where the moisture is hanging? It is probably, I know, but, oh, well, it could be running, I don't know, we'll figure it out. We'll have to clean her off. Take her outside and pressure wash her. Pressure wash her. It's here somewhere in it.
Huh?
It's here somewhere.
Yeah.
I want to say the last one I did was right many years ago. It was on one of these. I could remember. I can't remember, so I don't know. We got a little what is that? Palmolive or Dawn? Dawn in a bottle. Now what do they do with my flashlight? Right there, huh? Well, you said it was on the other side. Sure as hell. That means the steel is cracked right through. That'll be fun. You know, we should do one more thing while you're here. The bottom seam. But you can't reach it, can you? You still pressurizing? Don't see nothing else. Just that spot. Okay, that's good. What are we doing? Don't ever put more than 12 pounds in them. PSI. Regulator, so you don't, what do you call that? Oil canning it, making it explode, expand, and not fit back in the hole it came from. Good. I'll show you how to weld it up later, properly. Thanks, Kyle. I got somebody else to do my work again, right, Troy? Remember, no more than 10. And then here. Here's what I'm purging. He's purging with. That's where I got my bottle mounted in the truck. CO2 argon for my wire feed. So he just went and made a line and an adapter. So he can keep from blowing up. And he made the first weld, and he's learning, hey, it's not always perfect. Still got a leak, so back and forth time. Right, Troy? Back in the day when I welded in the factory, way back in the day, I made fuel tanks for the 550s, 450s, 650 case bulldozers. I was in what they called the tank cell. All I did was weld tanks. And we would do that every day. Except obviously there was never fuel in them. But we tested them, and then they put this big eccentric on there, a vibrating thing, and then they shook them for a half a day, or a half hour should be, to vibrate the whole tank. But they were made out of pretty thick material. This is pretty thin. Alright, I'll bring you back when he's got it all fixed up. We gotta look at that. Sure, she's cracking on that seam. So that's gonna keep on working all the way down in it. Son of a biscuit. You got any on the corner anymore? Around the corner.
Yeah, it looks like a little bit there.
Hey. Well, guess what you get to do now? Go downhill all the way down. There's nothing that hits that, I don't think. So, not all the way down, but chase it down. Must be a lot of stress right there where that sits. You know what I mean? Go down about, yeah, you see the stress crack is going right here. It's going to keep coming down right on that seam. If you were to look back on the other side and calculate it, it's right. So run down probably to there. Yeah, you got a little bit in that corner yet. You might want to grind that out a little bit or polish it up. But yeah, that's all you can do is keep going. Then when you're like my age, you'll have all the experience.